Hey guys, we're at MECUM in Kissimmee. It's January 2025. We're going to take a look at some of the motorcycles, or what they call motorcycles, that are for auction here. I don't know what this is, but it looks like it is some kind of a motorcycle. Looks like it's actually out of the movie Tron, to be honest with you. This is a 2016 PBC Neutron. I don't know much about motorcycles. It says, do not sit. But it's very cool, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it's electric. I don't know, maybe it's a vacuum cleaner, but it kind of says it's a motorcycle of some kind. Well, I don't know. Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the MECUM auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. Anyway, moving on. Got a lot of decent bikes here. Got the Evel Knievel scheme on that one there. Actually, it is a Harley Davidson Road King Custom, but it's got all the Evel Knievel stuff on it. '23 BMW M1000 competition bike. Honda CB1100 83. That looks a lot like the Interceptor that my brother had. If you watch the video that we have up, if you watch the video you could see me riding one of those back in 83, I think it was. No, it was in 1988. Black ink trike, kind of different on the paint job. Pretty cool. Guess it's their kids or something. Very neat. Proceeds from this sale will benefit curing kids cancer. There you go. That's why there's handprints on it. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. New England Chopper Unforgiven. There you go. Don't know much about bikes, but my brother does, so he'll enjoy this video. Sorry if I don't stop at a particular bike, guys. You know I don't really deal with bikes, but for those of you who like them, I figured we'll put up a video about bikes from MECUM. All right, 74 Harley Liberator, Road King, little Honda, no reserve, 76 Honda, 65. '76 Honda. I remember these from when I was a kid. Triumphs. Whole bunch of Triumphs right there. 1980, 57 Cushman Husky. 54 Monarch Super Twin. Augusta Rapido Sport. Jawa Speedway racing bike.
You think it's 2021? This is 2021. Wow. I get a picture there.
Let's see. Matching dad and mom, dad, and little son bike right there. Whole family of bikes, all the same colors. There you go. Alright guys, well, there's some motorcycles for you, for those of you who like motorcycles. We're going to go back out here, and I think we're going to go across the street into the building right here. The Urban S. Hirsch III collection and the Mitchell Builders motorcycle collection, these are going up for sale in Vegas. Check these out. (1913) Fellback Limited Twin. Less than 6 still exist. 38 Crocker V Twin. Less than 40 still exist. One of only 11 known to exist. Check out more videos on our channel, Junkyards and Barn Finds, from MECUM 2025 in Kissimmee. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.